channel. We've got the 350R out of storage, ready for spring. We need a full tank of E85. We did the E85 Tune before we put it away for the winter, and this will be our second tank full of E85. I did find a station about 5 to 10 miles from here that's a little out of the way, but they have straight E85, so 85% ethanol. A lot of the stations that you hit will be anywhere between 60 to 80% ethanol, but this station has the real deal 85%. Like I had showed you guys in the previous video about the E85, I have an app on my phone that tells us the percentage, and right now we're sitting at about 68% ethanol. So we're gonna fill up here, probably get, you know, maybe 10 gallons in here, and see if we can get closer to 80% ethanol. And eventually this summer, hopefully we'll be full E85. All right guys, there's the app. If you haven't seen it before, real-time ethanol value, we're at 68%. So we're gonna do a little POV drive for you guys out to the E85 station. So let's hit it. All right guys, POV drive. Gas station is in Nebraska, in case you didn't know. And I'm in Iowa. The under tunnel pass here, let's do it. Man, this thing sounds so good. So just to recap, I gotta shut this thing off because it's annoying. It's gonna just beep on us. But anyway, recap the FlexFuel Install, the Advanced Fuel Dynamics kit. So it does the ethanol content live reading and adjusts the tune to that. Some of the other tunes out there, they do the oxygen sensor and try to manipulate what they think the content is, but this one's a lot more accurate. And so far, the first tank, it's been pretty noticeable. It just seems the acceleration and everything just seems a little bit more violent, if that makes any sense. Like it's just more raw and has a little more punch to it. So it's hard to explain until you've experienced it, but I'm definitely pleased with the E85 kit so far. On top of it being cheaper to drive. Probably not as cheap as you think, because you get way less gas mileage in E85, but it's worth it. If you're in the Sioux City area and want to know where the best E85 is, it's in Jackson, Nebraska. That's where we're headed. There's actually a E85 or ethanol refinery real close to where this gas station is, so it makes sense that they have the straight E85. still have road construction. Go figure. This thing's been tore up for like a year. We should be going on that exit right there, but it is closed, so we will be going on the detour. Here we go. Those 8,000 RPM shifts, man, it's so wild. So wild. Well, we've made it to Jackson. Population 205. Pumping pantry. Look at all that expensive fuel up there on that sign, but that $2.39 one, that's what we're after. After the cheap stuff. They don't. Oh, there it is. E85. The yellow. Let's get it. Alright. E85. Here we go. Snap that open. Stick it in. Fill her up. Not sure how much it'll take. It was probably getting close to a quarter tank. So 10-ish gallons maybe. Alright, E85, let's see what percentage we're at now. Got our 10 gallons worth of E85, and the app is sitting at about 70% is what the rating is, but it takes a few miles before it registers the full changed there, so we'll see. We'll see if we get up in the mid-70s for ethanol percentage here. Alright guys, there it is. So it's fluctuating between 73 and 74% ethanol value now. So you can definitely tell that that pump, that station definitely has some high ethanol content in their E85. They're still climbing there a little bit. 75%, nice. So I'd say with another tank of gas, get this ran through and then fill up again, we should definitely be knocking on the 80% ethanol. And then we'll just keep filling up there for the summer and see how it performs with 80-85% ethanol. So alright guys, I appreciate you tuning in again for the E85 update. We'll keep you posted if anything changes with the E85 Tune, but so far it's been good. No complaints. So thanks again for watching guys. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, stay tuned for the next video.